What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chopper, and I'm back here with another video. All right, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. All right, today I'm making bacon-wrapped buffalo chicken croissants. All right, started off rinsing off my meat and putting it in the water to boil. All right, I put some Bullion Cubes in the water, too, to get that chicken a little extra flavor. Yeah, let this boil for like about 25 minutes until the meat got cooked all the way through. All right, chicken done, so time to take it out and rip it through. All right, a lot of y'all don't know this, but you can actually take a hand mixer and tear your chicken apart if you want to shred it. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. Watch this. Well, I actually skipped through it, but yeah, it was easy, pretty much. All right, then I took all that shredded chicken and put it in the pan. And now it's time to get lost in the sauce. Added me some buffalo sauce in there. Make sure y'all don't get lost in the sauce. All right, I stirred that up. Make sure you get it all in your chicken. All right, now it's time, you know what I'm saying, to come in with the seasonings. Yes, sir. All right. A little bit of that honey Sriracha. You know I can't do nothing without that honey Sriracha. It's about time for me to get some more of that, though. I'm almost out. All right. Come in with some onion powder. Some black pepper. Some of that bold Chipotle. Get a little extra kick. Some smoked paprika to get some more red colored. And you know I gotta come with that Tony's. Yeah. Then I finished it off with a little bit of Kosher Salt. Gave that a little quick mix, you know what I'm saying? Mix it up good. Make sure you get all your seasonings in there. You want to taste the seasonings all over that meat. You know what I'm saying? All right, quick little taste to see what it's hitting for. And it's busting. All right, so these are the Crescent Rolls that I will be using. Now let me show you how to fold one real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take you a little bit of chicken, and you're gonna set it in the back wide part of it. You know what I'm saying? Don't put a lot of chicken in there because you don't want the chicken to fall out while it's baking. And then you're gonna take the back end, roll it up, make sure it's tight around the chicken so the chicken don't fall out. And once you got the chicken secured, just roll that joint up like a blunt. You feel me? And this is how it's gonna look. All right, time to wrap the bacon around. The bacon wrap process is pretty easy. I thought I was actually showing y'all how to do that, but you might have to go look at another. Well, yeah, you can see it a little bit. Yeah, the bacon wrap process is easy. Only thing you gotta do is just take the bacon and just wrap it around the croissant. Got me a little pig outside a blanket. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. Pig outside the blanket. Normally it's pigs in the blanket, but the pigs are covering the blanket. I'm so lame for that. But anyway, yeah. All right, and once you're done with that, you know what I'm saying, you just pop them joints in the oven on 350 for like about 45 minutes. The reason why it took to cook that long was because the croissants got to cook and that bacon was thick. So you had to make sure that the bacon cooked along with the croissants. Yeah, but make sure you keep checking on it so you don't burn it up. Pop them joints back out, and that's how they look. Beautiful. Time to pop them joints on the plate. Yes, sir. Man, them things look good. Got me a little buffalo ranch in the middle, because you know I gotta keep it hot. Yeah. That's gonna do it for that video. See y'all in the next video. Chapo out.